you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in EAFC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, server maintenance or outages can cause loading problems. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can clear temporary glitches and help the game load properly. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of the game installed. Check for updates on your console or through the game launcher on PC, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the stuck loading screen in EAFC 25 and enjoy your gaming experience.